Hey guys, how to check shadow ban on Instagram. So first of all, to check shadow ban on Instagram, manage or monitor your engagement. Notice a sudden drop in likes, comments, or followers on your post, right? And basically, another sign is to post a recent photo with a unique hashtag, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna basically log out and or use another account to search for that hashtag. If your post doesn't appear, you might be shadow banned. If you have a business or creator account, review your insights for sharp declines in reach and or impressions. And if you suspect a shadow ban, consider reviewing your content for violations of Instagram's guidelines and adjust your posting strategy. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.